Anand Ramlogan. Anand Ramlogan is a member of the Bar of Trinidad and Tobago, England and Wales, and the British Virgin Islands. He is the founder and head of Freedom Law Chambers, which is based in the city of San Fernando, Trinidad. He served as junior counsel to the late Sir Fenton Ramsahoye QC, in whose footsteps he followed to become the Attorney General of Trinidad and Tobago during the period 28 May 2010 to February 2015. As Attorney General, he was also the titular head of the bar. Ramlogan is also a constitutional and human rights lawyer, having been called to the Bar of Trinidad and Tobago in 1996 and the Bar of England and Wales in 1994, and was appointed Senior Counsel on 30 December 2011. He was awarded the prestigious Express Individual of the Year award in 2004, joining a distinguished list of recipients that includes former Chief Justice Michael DeLabastide, prime ministers, presidents, and other prominent citizens for his outstanding work in successfully representing ordinary citizens whose rights were violated by the government. He is a member of the Honourable Society of the Middle Temple, UK, the holder of an L.L.B degree, and a master's in corporate and commercial law. Education. He received his primary education at the Reformed Presbyterian School and secondary schooling at Boys College and Pleasantville Senior Comprehensive in San Fernando. On completing secondary school, he entered the University of the West Indies, Cave Hill campus, Barbados, to read for his Bachelor of Laws degree, where he won several prizes for academic excellence, including the Mark of Merit and Best All-Round Student. Ramlogan was awarded several postgraduate scholarships and read for his L.L.M. in Corporate and Commercial Law at the Centre for Commercial Law Studies, Queen Mary and Westfield College, University of London, now known as the Queen Mary University. Whilst at the Queen Mary and Westfield, he simultaneously pursued a postgraduate diploma in law at the University of Westminster, courtesy the British Chevening Scholarship and the British Foreign Office Scholarship Programme. Private practice. He is an advocate who is known for his pioneering work in the field of human rights, constitutional and public law, where he represents the interests of the average man against the government. He uses the instrument of the law to achieve social transformation, and many of his cases have prompted significant changes in the law. He gives advice on a wide range of matters to public officials and lawyers in other Caribbean countries. He has appeared in over 50 Privy Council appeals and has also appeared before the Caribbean Court of Justice. Recent cases before the UK-based Judicial Committee of Her Majesty's Privy Council, the highest court for Trinidad and Tobago, include challenging the decision to construct a highway through the Arapaho Savannah's strict nature reserve, a unique ecosystem which was declared environmentally sensitive. Freedom of information application against National Oil Company to ascertain the basis for withdrawing a multi-billion-dollar lawsuit by the new government. The correct composition of the Judicial and Legal Service Commission, which is responsible for making judicial appointments. Challenging delay by the National Energy Corporation in providing information about the ethnicity of senior staff. Breach of the constitutional rights of children. Damages for breach of the right to equality of treatment. Unfair treatment regarding promotion in the police service. Denial of legal costs. He has done numerous cases in the High Court and Court of Appeal in breach of contract, defamation, discrimination, police brutality, medical negligence, personal injuries, and commercial law. Political and journalistic activities. Mr. Ramlogan has a distinguished record in public service and has served on many committees and statutory bodies, such as the Petroleum Company of Trinidad and Tobago, the Law Reform Commission, the Civil Aviation Authority, the Commission of Inquiry into the Administration of Justice, and the Vision 2020 Plan for Constitutional Reform. Anand entered politics as a candidate for the Congress of the People (COP) under the leadership of Professor Winston Ducaran. He contested the seat for the constituency of Tabaquit in 2007, but subsequently rejoined the United National Congress after Kamla Persad Bisesar was elected political leader. He was subsequently appointed a government senator and attorney general. Prior to his appointment as attorney general, Ramlogan was a prominent lawyer who had become a household name for championing the legal cause of many poor and downtrodden citizens. He also won many historic cases against the People's National Movement government for persons such as former CEO of the San Fernando City Corporation Marlene Cowdray, Devant Maharaj, Feroza Ramjan, George Daniel, and Damien Belfont. And was also an active member of the media, hosting a radio talk show with Radio 90.5 FM, was a columnist with the leading daily newspapers, the Sunday Guardian, the Express, and the Newsday newspapers for many years. His views are sought after by the media on a wide range of legal, social, and political issues. Attorney Generalship.